1-0.
Bounce on the line.
2 out of 2. Ah, what a strike! We got that on camera, Geth. Amazing. You know that the boys work hard. It's a big commitment. They're away for a month, away from their families, and to put that much commitment into it. You know, the reward at the end is there for them, and to celebrate that with the supporters, and you see the players go over and get their kids, and it's just an unbelievable occasion as well, isn't it? It's great to see, and yeah, things like this will stay with you forever. This is the best moment of my footballing career, without doubt.